Hey everybody, it's your pal Pete on the old Goldwing again. You're probably asking yourself, what is this guy going to talk about now? Well, I'm not really sure, but what I was going to talk about, what's going on in the old noodle there, is why haven't I been putting out a lot of videos lately? Motovlogs anyway. I have a Jeep channel and I've been doing stuff with that, not a lot, but yeah, life just happens, you kind of go through these ebbs and flows with creativity, with what you want to talk about. And sometimes it does help to have a new bike. Not that I'm getting a new bike anytime soon, because why would I? I mean, I'm a Goldwing person. I love a Goldwing, and I'll probably always have one for a while. I'll get other bikes that are very different from the Goldwing, because I still like to go do touring and things like that, and that's something that's definitely on the plate. I got to get back into doing those epic rides, because like a couple years ago I was getting ready to go. Holy smokes, you gonna slow down there? And I don't know about you guys, if that makes you nervous when people come flying up to the old stoplight there, or stop sign. Whew. Anyway, a couple years ago I was getting ready to go and go to Alaska on my Pan America, which I did, and I got almost all the way to the goal of Prudhoe Bay, but we had to turn around to Coldfoot. And if you haven't seen those videos, you can go back and watch them. They're on the channel somewhere. I think there's even a playlist for them, but anywho, I digress. Going back towards I have not. I did one big trip last year with the boys, and then this year I haven't done anything. I mean, granted, it's only May, but when you live in Florida, I don't have riding season like you guys up north, where it's like, oh, I can only ride 4 months, 5 months, 6 months out of the year. I mean, really, wintertime here where I live is the best time to ride. Because we're getting ready to go into the 90s and it's getting hot, so you get out in the morning, you do your rides. Like when I go visit my buddy Ty, I'll leave my house at like 4 in the morning to get up to Knoxville before noon, simply because I don't want to ride in the heat. I'd rather leave in the dark and get going. Anyway, so I haven't really had a lot of content in the old brain. It's like, yeah, I mean, how many times can you talk about the same garbage? Tires, safety equipment, do your T-clocks, blah, 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 blah. So it gets old. And I think that's why a lot of people, when they get new bikes, it does help their channels. And I need a new bike then, I guess, is what I'm saying. My wife has been wearing her BMW shirt a lot lately. And we sold the BMW, so is that a sign to you guys? It seems like it'd be a sign to me that if she's wearing a BMW shirt, that I should probably get another one. I'm just saying. That's where I'm at right now. I'm just kind of trying to get you guys some content, but I'm trying to come up with some more original stuff, like travel stuff, where I live, things of interest around here. Because if you don't know, I live in Marion County, which is about an hour and a half north of Orlando, an hour west of Daytona, so I can get to Daytona in an hour. So bike week and all that stuff is what it is. So I'm just trying to get there for you. This is more about me talking to myself, trying to pump myself up to get you some content, because I do enjoy it. I mean, plus I've spent thousands of dollars on equipment. I'm not kidding either. I'm such a camera dummy. I love cameras. That's actually one of my big things, is photography. But anyway, I digress. So what do you guys want to hear about? Do you want to hear about the longevity of my Goldwing? I'm creeping up on 30,000 miles, which on this bike, for being a 2018, that's what, 7 years old? Yeah, that's not a lot on a Goldwing. And because I've had other bikes, it doesn't get ridden as much, or it gets ridden on those distance rides, and that's about it. Mailman, or mail, or letter carrier, excuse me, or madam, or whatever. Let's not go there. So anyway, I just wanted to reach out, say, hey, I've got to get some ideas for you. I am canoodling in the noodling. So hopefully I'll get something soon. If you like this video, just hit the like button. If you got a comment, leave it below. Tell me, dude, you're a moron, you're the best, whatever. Inflate my ego. Tell me I'm the best, and you want to see more from me, even if it's just random garbage like this. Because, you know, that's where the money's made. Alright, well, I will talk to you guys later, and girls, and... because I actually do have a... that's an interesting thing. I'll talk about that, maybe. I'll talk about that in the next video. Demographics. Ooh, that's a scary word, isn't it? Alright, cheers, folks. Bye.